Navigating the digital world. Understanding the submission portal. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to uncover the mysteries of a term you often encounter in the digital realm: submission portal. Whether it's for academic submissions, job applications, or any other formal submission, understanding this concept is essential. So, let's dive in and make sure you can navigate these digital gateways with ease. A submission portal is essentially a digital doorway where individuals or groups can submit documents, forms, or any required information. It's an online platform, typically part of a website, designed to collect and manage submissions efficiently. Think of it as a high-tech mailbox that ensures your documents are securely received and stored. Submission portals are widely used in various sectors. You might encounter them in educational institutions, for assignment submissions, application forms, or research papers. Businesses, for job applications, project proposals, or service requests. Government websites, for applications, registrations, or tax filings. Recognizing a submission portal is easy. Look for buttons or links labeled Submit, Upload, or Apply Now. Using a submission portal typically involves a few common steps. 1. Create an account or log in. Most portals require users to have an account for security and tracking purposes. 2. Fill in necessary details. You may need to complete forms or provide specific information related to your submission. 3. Upload documents. Portals usually have an option to attach files. Ensure your documents meet the specified format and size requirements. 4. Review and submit. Always double-check your information and documents before hitting the Submit button. Follow instructions. Carefully read and adhere to the guidelines provided by the portal. Keep records. Save a copy of your submission confirmation or any reference number provided. Mind the deadlines. Submission portals often have strict cutoff times. Submit well in advance to avoid last-minute technical glitches. That's a wrap on understanding submission portals. Remember, these digital gateways are here to make submissions straightforward and secure. We hope this video has shed light on how to navigate them confidently. Happy submitting, and see you in the next video.